What's up, everyone? It's me again, and I'm back for another current haul video. And this video, I'm going to try on a swimwear. It's a black color, guys, and it's the one piece only because I'm getting that. And if you want exclusive video from me, you can visit the link on my description. Okay, I have an exclusive video for you. And yeah, we will jump to our trend haul and please don't forget to give me a like if you like this video. Okay, and to subscribe if you are not yet subscribed on my channel. Thank you so much. Okay, we will proceed to my try on haul. Okay, so the first one is this one, the black one. Ganda nito guys. It's really nice. It's a one piece. Look at that one. Yeah, at saka may pa-hook lang siya sa likod. I try to wear this one because I'm getting, yeah, as you see, I'm already fat and my belly is so big, so I will order this one. So next time I will wear this when I go to staycation, hoping next month. Okay. So this is the first one. And yeah, wala na akong sasabi dito, but I will try it on for you and here's the So the next one, I really like this one. It's a black color also, but meron siyang parapol, guys. Look at the style of this swimwear. Yeah, it's so really nice, right? Look at that. May parapol siya dito, guys. And makikita talaga yung aking tattoo dito. Get that. Sabi, ang kanyang harap mayroon siyang V shape dyan. And yeah, look at the back. The back is a crisscross style. Mayroon siyang adjustable. Ang kanyang strap is adjustable. So you can adjust it. And look at the style of this. Yeah, it's a combination of white and black. And meron siyang parang pa-belt na design dito. So nice, right? I really like these guys, and I'm just so excited that I'll wear this when I go swimming. Yeah, hoping, okay. Yeah, I need a budget, so you visit my link there, okay. And yeah, okay. So I will try it on this bikini for you, and here's the clip.
So cute. Cute kasi yun ako.
So that is for today's video, everybody. Hope you like this video, and see you on my next one. Bye.